From today, I'm going to build a modern railway network in Minecraft with Create mode. So let's start from introducing our current fleet. Okay, welcome to my railway facility. On the left of the map, there is a railway factory depot, where trains get manufactured and assembled. On the right side, there is a test line, which is used to test the properties of the trains. The radius of this curve I built is only about 100 meters, which is extremely sharp in reality. And the reason for that is to test the gangway and the connection between carriages. Also, the maximum railway displacement length of Create mode is only about 128 blocks. And here, I named different stations like track station or platform 1A or like 2A to test the train schedule in the future. Okay, now let's take a look at the trains themselves. Here we have the classification of all kinds of railway carriages. Well, the CC stands for cross city, and top speed of that is 160 km per hour. Then we also have trains designed for cross region, and some express trains. And here I divided the metro and underground systems, as they are running on different railway networks, because the height of an underground railway carriage should not go over 4 blocks. Let's say, overall, that's different. But the height of metro system carriage can go higher. There is no clearance limitation put by underground tunnels. We should also have the so-called regional railway, which is always used to connect the city center to the towns around the city. Otherwise, we also have 2 additional nodes here. There are railway connections and junctions that can link the metro's network to the cross-urban network. But this is mainly for utilizing the underground tunnels. And for long-distance trains, they should have toilets, like for cross-city or cross-region. That makes sense, right? Here's an example of that classification, if we put that in the UK. The right line starts from London, calling at Birmingham and Manchester and Liverpool. It is the cross region. Light blue line starting from Liverpool, calling at Manchester Piccadilly and Doncaster and Scunthorpe, and then Grimsby is a typical cross-city railway in our definition. Line starting from London, crossing Cambridge, and then going north is also considered as a cross-city line. And then we have the yellow lines, which are the regional railways. The regional railway may run parallel with the cross-city line. It serves as an urban express. And then we have the purple, which is cross-urban, that links different city centers. Finally, those green lines represent the metro and underground system within London. So let's get back to our railway depots. This mode is called Create Train Lines, which adds realistic lines that can be fitted on the train. It is shortened as CTL, but it is not necessary for our railway to operate. There we have class CC160, which is a 4-carriage EMU train. The EMU stands for Electric Multiple Units. I've also added the pantograph and insulator on the top of the train, so this is also a mod. But again, it's just for decoration and it's not necessary for our train to operate. And here we have some experimental stuff. The height clearance of underground operation is limited at 4 blocks, including the wire and pantograph height. That's 4 blocks over the platform, and the platform itself is only 1 block height. In the next video, I will introduce the basic structure and details of those carriages.